Hey everyone, today we're exploring the Mills 50 area of Orlando, Florida, and we're going to be checking out some incredible art murals that it has to offer. Mills 50 is one of Orlando's oldest neighborhoods and is located close to downtown. This area gets its name from Mills Avenue and State Road 50, which is also known as Colonial Drive. Local artists kicked off the art scene here by painting 9 utility boxes, expanding to dumpsters, storm drains, and numerous captivating murals that we'll be sharing today. Let's dive into the murals I discovered on my walk. Enjoy. If you enjoyed this video, drop a like. For more content like this, hit subscribe so you never miss out. Thank you as always for watching. Have a great one.